What's up, guys? Today I'm spraying an area back here where I'm going to plant some clover, maybe plant some beans this spring or this summer. So right now what I've got is this green field, and what it is I burned it off in about March, and 2 months later, a month or two later, it's grown back green grass. Now there's very little clover in there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray basically a big strip about 15 foot wide and about 200 yards long, and it's gonna lead right to my tree stand, and then over here by the tree stand there's gonna be some more food plot stuff. So I just want to show you my sprayer. It's a do-it-yourself sprayer. So here's the sprayer. You can get it for 96 bucks on Amazon.com. I will throw a link in the description below. Let's see here. Came with this small pump on there, and it is a 25-gallon tank. 20 comes right there. So what it came with, it comes with this spot sprayer wand here, and the motor, of course, in the tank. So what I did is I just put a T in the line and used some of the same line, and I plumbed it around here to a valve, shut-off valve. Comes down a pipe to a spray nozzle. I will put a link to it in the description below where you can find it on Amazon. Then I wired the switch. It goes to my battery, and I rigged in a little two-way switch. That basically turns it on and off. So I will show you right now what happens when I turn it on. We'll watch the valve, because I've got that open. And that guy sprays about, I'd say 12 foot wide. Let's get up here on top of the quad and look. So you can see it. Let's get back here and take a look at it. Shut her off. And let's inspect here. So you can see the wet ground where it was spraying. It's about right here. So I'm going to step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I stepped it off. It's about 6 yards. Six steps. Well, 6 times 3, 18. So we're about 18 foot wide of a spray from one nozzle. And the beautiful thing is there's no boom, so I can drive in and out of the woods and do whatever. So on with it. What I'm gonna do is I've set up some logs and some sticks out there in the field, kind of to guide me so I stay on the same path. If you haven't mixed Roundup before, this is actually Glystar Plus from Rural King. It's half the price of Roundup. Glystar Plus, and same thing as Roundup. It kills everything, and basically you want to put, it doesn't matter how much water to poison you mix. What matters is how much of the poison you put on the area. So it says about for 1 acre, for 1 acre, I usually put about 3 quarts of the poison. So I just put 3 quarts of poison in there of Glystar Plus, and then I filled it up with water, mixed it up, and I've got to make sure that on this 1 acre that I measured, 1 acre strip here that I just basically empty the tank, and then I will know I'll have enough poison on there. Also, it's a good idea, there's a thing called sticker spreader, I believe it's called, and you pour a little bit of that in the tank and that helps it stick to the leaves. So we're gonna spray this and we'll come back in about a couple weeks, and if it's dead, we will go ahead and broadcast our clover right before a rainstorm. So that's it. I just wanted to show you the do-it-yourself sprayer. I probably got about $130 in this sprayer, and it works awesome. Okay, food plot number 3. I'm starting off. Once again, I sprayed it. Got a pretty good kill-off rate and whatever, and just lit it up. Hopefully a lot of this stuff burns off and we can disc it up, and this one's gonna be clover.